Hi, my name's Maya. Welcome to my humble abode.
What brings you comfort in your room?
What brings me comfort in my room is my sunset lamp. I'll always put it on at the end of the night, and it just has this ambiance that I love and just helps me go to bed.
Show us something that reminds you of home.
Something that reminds me of home is this picture frame that my best friend from high school made. Every time we're home, we'll always meet up at the beach and just talk about everything that we've been up to in college. So I always can remember my friends from back home, and it's just nice to have them here with me.
Show us something that represents a favorite memory from Davis.
One of my favorite memories at Davis has been my time in my sorority, Alpha Delta Pi. I've met so many great friends, and I have pictures from our formals or just events that we have, so those always bring back good memories, and I've just met really close friends from that. It's nice to just have a big group of girls who all support each other, and everyone is kind of on their own path, but we all come together and can help each other with everything, and it's really great.
How would you describe the aesthetic of your room?
I feel like my aesthetic of my room is very minimalistic, but it has some comforting colors that kind of just brings me joy. And then I always love these, just kind of helps calm me sometimes. I feel like they just kind of resonated with me. I liked the color that they brought to my room, kind of the pinks and oranges I've always been drawn to, and then just always remembering that even though I'm away from home or sometimes by myself, I have a lot of supporters, and there's people here to help me.
What has been your favorite part living at the Green?
My favorite part about living at the Green is that we have a little sage market, which is a couple blocks away from me, and it's nice if I forgot something at the store, I can just stop by really quick and grab eggs or some snacks. And then we also have a pizza there, so if I ever just need a quick study session, I'll always go there, which is really great.
Show us something that you couldn't live without.
One thing I don't think I could live without in this room is probably my curtain over here, because I love to sleep in. Every morning I wake up to the sun, but with my curtain, blocks the light, I get to sleep in, have a peaceful morning. I really liked the texture of them, and it kind of brought something different to my room, and then also the dark green I liked, and it kind of brings earthy tones into my room.
Show us something that an upcoming student should have in their room.
One thing I recommend someone or anyone living here to have is for me it's my makeup organizer, so it helps me just organize all my things, and then I just have it all there on my desk ready to go.
Tell us about someone you have met.
One person that I met here that I'm so happy that I did meet is my roommate Vanessa. She got put in here as a random, so we kind of all went into this blind, but it ended up being really great that she moved in. We've been best friends for 3 years. We share a bathroom together, and it's been great. And we've had so many fun memories together, just going through UC Davis together, kind of taking classes and just supporting each other and being there for each other. I think it's been really great, and yeah, I love the friendship that I built with someone that was unexpected. Me and Vanessa have kind of built a tradition of watching movies at late nights. We'll make cookies or a cake, decorate cupcakes. So it's been really great just having someone close by, and we can do things together, especially sharing an apartment like this has been really great.
What reminds you of home?
Some things that remind me of home are some letters and birthday cards that I get from my family. It's really sweet because every time there's kind of a holiday or an occasion, they'll always send me cards, and it really just warms my heart when I think of them and know that they're thinking of me, even though we're 7 hours away. It's nice to just have these and remember who my supporters are and my family's back home. So this one is from my little sister. She's 7 years old. She wrote me a little card. Love her so much. And then, oh my god, my mom loves to write, so this is her little birthday card. And then also from my big, she always writes me letters, which is so sweet, and it just helps me remember of our time here at UC Davis, so it's been really great.
What is one word to describe the environment you have built in your room?
One word I would use to describe my room that I've built so far is comforting, and I feel like it's a nice place for me to come if I'm stressed or if I'm just need to relax. So I think I've built a space for myself that I can do that in.
What do you like to do in your room?
In my room, I love to watch movies, get comfortable on the bed, maybe make some popcorn, and again, me and Vanessa will just have movie nights.
What is a collection you have in your room?
One collection that I have in my room is my rack of sunglasses. I've kind of brought them like from high school, but I've just collected a bunch since I've been here at Davis, and I think it's really cool, and then it's also just adds some decor to my room, which I love.
What is something stupidly funny in your room?
Something stupidly funny in my room is my collection of Lays, which I get from a place downtown. Super fun. I get to go eat food with all my friends, and we always get a Lay and just bring it back with us.
How would you compare the feeling of when you first arrived to UC Davis to now being more acclimated in the space?
When I first moved in, it felt kind of like bare. There wasn't much personality, and it was just felt really new and was kind of different. But I think after living here for a while, I've collected things just at UC Davis and built things based on like what I've learned from myself, things that I like, and just created a space for myself to be and like call my own home at UC Davis. So I think just over time, collected things and made it my own place.